On June 21, 2000, the World Bank launched the Global Development Learning Network, the GDLN, an initiative that connects development practitioners from around the world to share development knowledge using 21st century technologies.
We can use technology to ensure that everybody in the world has equal access to knowledge. And this Global Development Learning Network, which we are launching today, is, I think, a superb example of how it is that we can share ideas together.
The very first GDLN video conference connected 17 GDLN affiliates who engaged in a global dialogue to discuss the potential impact of GDLN on the future of development.
And of course, a program such as this, as the Global Development Learning Network, is of tremendous opportunities for countries like ours, because it connects us to the rest of the world.
Since 2000, the network of 17 GDLN affiliates grew to a robust network of 84 affiliates in 57 countries. GDLN affiliates work with in-country networks within their regional associations and cross-regional partners to enrich GDLN programs, which include training courses, multi-country dialogues, blended learning programs, and virtual conferences.
And I was involved in the actual creation of the board, which was a wonderful experience. I joined as a member of the ANU GDLN affiliate. It's just wonderful to see how peoples from across the Asia Pacific region, but also right across the world, can come together and work on programs, work programs up together, and then execute them successfully. It's been a very, very rewarding experience.
GDLN was very much a visionary undertaking, and it was a trendsetter. It was a vision for how the world of development would function in the future, the kinds of things and infrastructures that would be needed for that.
Many of the approaches to the design and implementation of virtual knowledge sharing that are coming to the forefront were in fact developed by GDLN, which was a pioneer in that respect.
GDLN has been an invaluable tool for organizing just-in-time responses for countries in crisis so they can draw upon the experiences of other partner countries. GDLN has helped facilitate dialogues and consultations by taking a South-South learning approach.
Ainsi, le GDLN, en mettant en contact des experts et des cadres africains avec leurs homologues du reste du monde, en contact virtuel naturellement, contribue fortement au renforcement des capacités et des compétences des cadres avec une valorisation des expertises locales et des expertises continentales.
On July 2014, Korea Development Institute School of Public Policy and Management agreed to take over the GDLN Global Secretariat from the World Bank. The transition signified GDLN's maturation into an independent network of learning institutions. In response to the network's growing expansion, the regional associations and global governance framework call for GDLN global board meetings and GDLN regional meetings annually. The global board meetings have allowed members to explore opportunities to work across regions and accelerate the scope and impact of GDLN development programs.
We are living at the moment in extraordinary times. From the GDLN community's perspective, I am sure many people feel like finally the world sees the value of investing in well-designed distance learning experiences that use mixed methods in order to create a positive learning experiences across the distance with the means that we have. normal content needs to be reconfigured. And very few people have done this. So my biggest surprise over the last 9 months is that yes, GDLN still sits on an absolute unique value proposition.
Where I think in our third decade, GDLN 3.0 is moving on top of the many hundreds of programs our wonderful affiliates produce, and together in many cases, but now also across all of our membership with a number of what I'm thinking of as flagship programs. And that's been wonderfully successful and where we're headed, I think.
En Latinoamérica nos enfrentamos a algunos retos. La colaboración en algunos momentos no fue tan fácil como nosotros pensábamos, pero creo que siempre ha prevalecido el interés de compartir esas experiencias, esos aprendizajes, esas buenas prácticas para apoyarnos entre todos. Entonces, en ese uso de tecnología, en ese manejo de la tecnología, pensamos que era importante con este espíritu de compartir conocimiento, de desarrollar habilidades, el que pudiéramos tener un sitio web, una comunidad virtual que nos permitiera intercambiar y mantener esa comunicación constante con los países de la red global.
Congratulations, GDLN, to 20 years anniversary. I wish all the best. You changed my point of view and you did the good job. And the knowledge which I gain in GDLN will be my handbook in my work, in my future, in my life. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, GDLN friends and family, on your 20th anniversary. It's been great being part of the process and watching you grow, and I look forward to seeing where GDLN goes in the future.
Congratulations for GDLN's 20th anniversary. Office of Academic Resources, Chulalongkorn University, feels truly honored to be a part of this achievement.
We were very glad to join the GDLN, the big family in the world. We are very happy to co-organize over 120 activities for more than 22,000 people coming from China and the rest of the world. Shanghai National Accounting Institute, as well as the Asia Pacific Finance and Development Institute, would like to work together with all friends in the GDLN family to facilitate more knowledge sharing, experience sharing among different countries, to work together for a better future.
It's so great to celebrate another 10 years of relevant and important work in development that this network has provided. And I do think that GDLN continues to play a vital role going forward to bring knowledge and learning to policymakers and development practitioners all over the world. So here's to another 10 years of successful learning and knowledge sharing, and I hope we all see each other again in person very soon.
As the Global Secretariat, the KDI School of Public Policy and Management would like to thank all the affiliates, partners, and board members for its ongoing support and cooperation. The value of this network is numerous, but its very existence would be in jeopardy if it weren't for the people and their respective organizations that make this network still very relevant and timely as a key platform for knowledge sharing. Congratulations, and let's keep working and growing our network. Thank you.